Hey guys, let's have a look on these three Amazon must-haves for your travel. So first one is this. This is the travel organizer for your luggage. You can separate all of your clothes. So this is the House of Quirk 6 pieces storage bag. It cost 498 rupees. This has 6 set of a bag and the material is polyester baby pink color I have purchased, and this is foldable. 3 filled cubes and 3 envelopes, and the luggage zipper even have a little rubber tabs, very easy to grab to zip up the bags. It is really value for money product. You can purchase it, guys. So guys, next up is this 6 shoe cover. It cost 196 rupees. This is very reasonable. You can carry your shoes separately. It is built up with high quality material, waterproof and dust proof, and also transparent window design it has. So guys, next is Yalto makeup pouches for women, and it has 4 section. You can carry all your cosmetics, your daily needs you can carry separately, and you can travel easily. It cost around 378 rupees. Also, you can hang easily in the wall. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and like my page. Bye bye.